Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to uninstall and remove McAfee in Windows 11. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, just gotta go to your search bar right here and type down add or remove programs. Okay, just click on it. Once done, just gotta use the search bar right here. Okay, not at the top, right here that says search apps. Type down McAfee. Like so. Yours might be different. You may have a ton of McAfee services right here. So what you'll do is just go ahead over to the three dots on each. Okay, little three dots and just hit on uninstall. Uninstall once more. There will be a pop-up. Just click on yes. All right. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and click on uninstall. Some McAfee services will let you choose what to delete. Okay, there will be some checkboxes right there. So what I would suggest is just to click them all, right, to uninstall everything and delete McAfee files. So click on uninstall, wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, just click on close right here. And again, if you have other McAfee services, just do the same thing. Click on three dots, hit on uninstall. And once done, don't forget to restart your computer. And after that, you should be good to go. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.